welcome back to College Eats. I'm Alexa.
And I'm Sarah.
And today we're making
super quick and easy caramel popcorn.
So you might notice that we're in our pajamas.
Yes, we definitely are.
Because we're getting ready for girls' night.
Yes, it's going to be like a late night snack type recipe, or like you could do this for a movie night. Super fun.
Absolutely.
Let's get started. So to make our super easy microwave caramel popcorn, you're going to need
2 bags of microwavable popcorn.
You're also going to need butter, light brown sugar, corn syrup, and baking soda, and also a microwave safe bowl. I think I'm the popcorn master, Alexa. I'm not going to lie. I eat popcorn probably every single day. It's always, really? No, seriously, it's always in my dorm. Like, it's just
So you would say you're a master at this?
I am, yeah. So I set this for 3 minutes because that's what mine is, but it's different. It's going to be different for every single popcorn.
On the bag, it says 1:45 to 3 minutes.
2 3 minutes. 1:45 to 3.
Yeah.
But you have to listen.
Oh, we have to listen?
Listen to the pop.
Listen to the pop? Alright, let's see.
Oh, yeah. So we just finished popping our first bag of popcorn.
And Annaliese behind the camera wants some.
And we have our second bag of popcorn popping right now, and we'll come back when that's done.
It's really good.
It's so good.
Sarah, could you get it in the air?
Yeah.
Could you get it in your mouth?
For sure.
No! She did, guys. She did it off camera.
I did it like 5
I think you're just camera shy right now.
No, let me do it
Try
again.
again. Go again. I can't do it. I'll choke. we don't want to do that.
Okay.
Come on, Sarah. You got this. I believe in you.
Thank you.
Oh, what a winner. So now we're going to take some brown bags to place all the popcorn into them.
Yep, this is just going to make it easier so that when we add the caramel mixture, we can kind of close it up and shake it up so all of that delicious caramel goodness gets over every single kernel.
And it spreads all evenly.
Yum.
Now we're going to melt butter, brown sugar, and corn syrup in a microwave-safe bowl.
Okay, we're in the home stretch. We have to add baking soda, mix it, divide, conquer, shake, eat, enjoy. Okay, here we go. We're pouring it in.
Oh,
it smells so good.
It looks really good. Get all of it.
So easy. This is like something you can make in your dorm too. I mean, if you're really...
If you can get all the ingredients.
If you're feeling ambitious.
That would
definitely take like...
Movie night to the next level.
No, seriously. Take butter packets from Ernie Davis.
Exactly.
Just buy like some sugar. And pour it into this bowl. That'll be our reveal. Because I feel like you can literally just throw anything into a bowl of popcorn and it's a meal.
So what are you putting in your popcorn? I'm putting in peanut M&Ms.
I'm also doing peanut M&Ms, but I'm definitely more of a salty girl, so I definitely would add like Cheez-Its and Goldfish into...
Interesting.
Yes.
I haven't heard that combo before.
Yeah, no, very, very good. This is the final product also, guys. Take a look.
How?
Super good. I feel like we nailed it. So easy, too.
Definitely. And I'm definitely going to recreate this into my dorm.
Yeah. Are we ready to taste it?
I think so.
Okay.
All right, guys.
Cheers.
I think we did a great job.
That's really good. I feel like this was so easy.
And it's really addicting, I feel like.
God.
Now I can sit here and eat this entire bowl.
I think I might just sit here, put on a movie, and eat this whole thing.
Exactly.
But it is kind of salty, so I feel like maybe we need a drink or something.
A drink?
To go along with it.
So do you think this would stand good on its own, or do we think we should add some candy into it? Like, what would you do?
I would definitely add candy, but I think we need hot cocoa.
Hot cocoa.
Yeah.
That's a perfect idea.
Popcorn is so salty. We need a drink.
We need something to sweeten it out.
All right, Alexa, we've got our popcorn. We've got our hot cocoa. We're about to have the perfect movie night. But what movie are we watching? What's your favorite?
So I'm a rom-com girl. I will watch any single rom-com ever.
Okay.
My favorite is How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days.
That is so good. I feel like that's on my TikTok all the time. Now,
with Matthew McConaughey.
Oh, such a hottie.
But my favorite movie of all time is Grease.
Never seen it.
Maybe that's what we have to watch. But
Yes.
Sarah, what's your favorite movie?
Well, when I was younger, I had a huge crush on Nicolas Cage.
What?
So random.
That was crazy.
I am so brave for admitting this. So National Treasure.
On College Eats, you get all the secrets.
Everybody behind the camera is like, oh my god, she did not just say that. Yes, I did, everybody. Cheers.
Cheers.
Stay up.
I just gotta say, I love that the bowl matches Sarah's outfit and then my mug matches mine.
I'm so embarrassed. Cheers, Alexa.
Follow us on our socials at SU College Eats on Instagram and YouTube.
And check us out on TikTok, College Eats SU.
Stay hungry, people.